Today we're going to look at the second section of Foundation Hyung and do a review over the first section of Foundation Hyung, naming the techniques. So we're going to start with a review first section. Foundation Hyung, first and second section, naming techniques, and begin. Low block, lunge punch, inner forearm block, lunge punch. That is the first section. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the second section. High block, reverse punch. At this point in the pattern, we're actually going to go turn and face the back of the room. I'm going to go ahead and get my chamber set. I'm going to take my lead front foot and I'm going to sweep it across. I'm going to look, pivot, and step out with my right foot. Low block, lunge punch. That is the first and second section of Foundation Hyung. Let me go ahead and show you that from the side. Foundation Hyung, first and second section, naming techniques. Again. Low block, lunge punch, inner forearm block, lunge punch, high block, reverse punch. Look, pivot, and turn, low block, lunge punch. Okay, that is the first and second section of Foundation Hyung, naming techniques.